So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with defining our site. So we've got a folder right here. Inside I've got 3 empty folders: CSS for our style sheets, images for our images, and JS for our JavaScript files if needed. We're going to go to Dreamweaver and define this site, and all that really is a link to this actual folder that's sitting on our drive and access inside of Dreamweaver. So to do that, we go to the site menu, choose New Site, and we're going to give it a name. Call it Flamingo Demo. This is your own name just for you, so you can have spaces in it. That's just fine. Local site folder. I'm going to choose the folder right here. Go to where that file is, that folder is, Flamingo Demo. Yep, that's the one. Hit choose. Go over here to Advanced Settings. Click Local Info, and you want to set the default images folder. Open that up and choose Images and hit choose. Go back to site. Everything is a-okay. We save it, and then you'll see that pop up here in the side with our Flamingo Demo site with our folder and our 3 folders inside of it. Next thing we do is we need to create our index HTML page, which is our default page for the site. We're going to go to File, New, and we're going to get a pop-up, and we're going to choose our HTML page. Document title, we're going to call it Flamingo Demo. Type is HTML5, that's what we want, and we're going to hit Create. That page is going to open up here. It is untitled, but you'll notice right here that it has a title called Flamingo Demo, and that's what we want. We're going to go ahead and save this file, and we're going to select the root folder right here, which is Flamingo Demo, call it index.html, and hit save. Our file is now saved. Next step is to create our CSS file. We're going to go to File, go to New. We'll get our new document up. We're going to hit CSS and hit Create. That's going to create our CSS file. It says Untitled 2. We're going to go ahead and save that file and make sure we put it inside our CSS folder. We're going to change the name to main, main.css, and hit save. Then the next step is to link this CSS file, which is right here, to our index page. So we're going to flip back to the index page. Click on Sources right here in the CSS Designer. Right? Select that, open it up, hit the plus, and choose Attach Existing CSS File. We're going to do that. We'll get a pop-up that shows up with a file URL and a Browse button, and we want to link it right there. Hit Browse. Go into our Flamingo Demo folder, go into our CSS folder, and select the main.css file. Hit Open, hit OK, and you notice right here that we've now added a link reference to our main.css file inside the CSS folder. And now we've got our demo. We've got our demo set up. We've got our site references set up. We've got all our files ready to go. And that's your first step.